how you can add highlights on your Instagram without having to post on your story. Now, let us begin. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your Instagram. Now, after you've opened up your Instagram, just tap on add a story and select a picture. Now, after you've done this, you will need to add a story, but no one else will be able to see the story. So I'll teach you a few tricks that you can use. So just tap on your story, just add the story and wait for it to get posted. So while it does that, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future videos by getting notified. Now, as you can see, the story has been uploaded. Now just tap on highlights and add it to your highlights. Now what you can do is just tap on this more option right here, and after you tap on the more option, you will see the option to archive it. Now tap on archive and there you can see the story is no more there, but if you go to your profile and see, you can see the highlights been added. So that is basically how you do it, guys. That is how you can add a story without having to post the story on your Instagram. So that is how you do it, guys. The other way is by just adding a story, just add the story, hide it from rest of your followers, just hide it from each and every one of your followers, and after you do that, just add it to your highlights, and after 24 hours you can just unhide it. So that is basically how we do it, guys. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.